Hey guys, I hope all of you are doing well and enjoying the best of your health. Friends, my today's video is creative and unique for those ones who are in search of creative design ideas, simple, easy to make, designer style, ready made, ready to wear style, design ideas of baby girl dresses, but they don't want to spend a lot of money, or they want to make customized dresses, designer style dresses of their baby girls by sitting at their own homes and by keeping their baby comfy and look more creative and beautiful at the same time. So this friends, this absolute collection of our today's video is for you. The amazing and creative, simple and easy patterns of hand embroidery, which can also be used for the art of liquid embroidery, fabric painting, machine embroidery, digital computer machine embroidery, or any other type of hand art as well. So the scope is not only limited to this, guys. You can also use very beautiful and creative ideas for how you can make use of these creative baby frocks for the art of stitching as well. You can get designing ideas along with the stitching patterns as well, how you can make boat neck, round neck, necklines, how you can do pleats, how you can make a bonnet style, how you can make some frills, how you can use the simple and basic beginner style art of stitching as well. So this video is a treat for the ones who are mothers of the toddlers, of the baby girls, and they are always a lover of designing the dresses of their babies by their own. So do try these patterns, share your experiences with us. The scope is not only limited to this, you can also use these very beautiful embroidery patterns for teenager girls, dresses, shirts and tops as well. For watching more creative, stylish and amazing ideas related to baby fashion, girls fashion, and more creativity, DIY ideas, hand art. So stay tuned for our new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care and don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and stay tuned for the new upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching.